Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to set profile picture on Signal private messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So open your Signal private messenger app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on your profile name. Tap on edit photo and now you can select any avatar from this list. Also, you can capture an instant photo by tapping on camera, and you can add a text here by tapping on text. And to upload any photo, tap on photo and select any photo from your gallery. And now you can resize the photo, you can crop and rotate the photo, and after that tap on done. You can edit the photo. Tap on done, tap on save. So that's how you can set profile picture on Signal Messenger. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.